special match for you AAW fans. This is a first ever for me. Introducing AEW. Your next match is a singles match, and it is a dog collar match. How this works, you have two opponents that will be inside the ring. They will be attached to a dog collar and a chain that will separate them. They will only be a chain length away. The only way you can win this match is by submission or by pinfall. Introducing first, from King of Prussia, Pennsylvania, weighing in at 165 pounds, he is known as the Villanova Casanova. This is Kid Osbourne.
Kid Osbourne, hailing from King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. Our last match saw between him and his competitor went tape to tape. And as he makes his way to the ring, I'm seeing we've seen him in some battles before. Looks like he's eyeballing me. And the crowd is giving it to Kit Osbourne.
And his opponent from Hamburg, Pennsylvania, weighing in at 206 pounds, he is the American Hammer. This is Matt Quay.
Kid Osbourne is yelling at the crowd while Matt Quay makes his way to the ring. And out comes the American Hammer. Matt Quay. And the crowd is on fire for Matt Quay. And
a dog collar match.
this dog collar match with Matt Quay, or you could just call him U.S. Quay, for the win. Kid Osbourne from King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. Matt Quay from Hamburg, Pennsylvania. And with the chain in hand, I hate to be cliche, but business is about to pick up.
Agreed. Such a historic match, though. Going all the way back to 1983 when Rowdy Roddy Piper versus Greg the Hammer Valentine did the first one on TV.
And with Kid Osbourne with dog collar in hand, referee Mike Powell gives one to Matt Quay.
And, I mean, we know the history.
Oh, my God. Look at Kid Osbourne.
Look at the back. Look at the brutal.
Taking off his jacket.
Like, the scars of everything. Like,
you could see the scars, the welts. I mean, my God.
I mean, look at the scars on his stomach from getting ripped apart.
This is not something not out of his wheelhouse.
No, because we know that Kit Osbourne up and down the New Jersey area, I guess, is now known for doing the hardcore death type matches.
Tenacious, his tenacity, the tides of war.
You got to put the dog collar on to start this match. And remember, the only way to win this match is either pinfall.
Look at all the scars on his body. Oh my God. Look at all the scars on Kit Osbourne's body, just like on his chest, right on his stomach, and like in the neckline area. And he's sitting there jaw jacking with the crowd. Like, what the?
And we know Matt Quay is somebody who's not shy from these matches either. I mean, they don't call him the American Hammer for nothing.
U.S. Quay! U.S. Quay! U.S. Quay! U.S. Quay!
Crowd get behind Matt Quay. Kit Osbourne still talking to the crowd.
The longer this goes, this is just like, who does this favor? The match that Matt Quay and Kit Osbourne had, like, we saw them go to the bathroom,
right,
and chase each other from post to post,
pillar to post, room to room, back door to front door,
and they did all of that within a 10 count. Like, that's the impressive part. Like, there must be some vitriol, some hatred that these two hate each other so much that they're willing to have it. Oh my God! Sneak attack, Kit, Matt, trading punches, trading blows,
hard blows too. In the corner. Remember, no rules in this match. Anything goes.
Anything goes. No rules. We have to win by pinfall or submission, and that we know that chain's going to come into play.
Probably numerous times.
What a thunderous hammer clothesline.
American hammer clothesline.
My apologies, Mr. Keener. My apologies.
It's okay. Into the corner.
Using the dog collar as leverage, sending Kit Osbourne into the middle turnbuckle. Oh, rake of the eyes from Kit Osbourne.
Any other time.
And now he's hanging.
Any other time, referee Mike Powell would tell them to start counting 5.
Just like that rope's coming into play. He's being choked out by Kit Osbourne.
Now that would be considered a submission, right? If he gets choked out.
Well, if he gets choked out, he can drag him right into the middle of the ring and pin him.
Right. Now they're coming outside. This crowd behind us. And Kit Osbourne, Matt Quay in the crowd. They're coming this way. They're coming towards us.
And they're fighting right behind commentary here. We're not safe.
Us.
We are not safe. Oh my God.
Oh
my God.
Get him off of me.
I can't do anything.
Literally fighting on top of us.
He was yelling, "Get him off me."
Are you okay there, Chris?
I feel accosted. I'm sorry.
Kit Osbourne laying on top of commentating partner Chris Bristow here.
Oh, what? Oh my God, he broke a pencil over his head.
Oh, right on to the side of the ring.
And they're right in front of the ring.
Referee Mike Powell checking on him. Kid Osbourne's up. Matt Quay is still laying on the ground. Both of them are up now.
Oh, Matt's got the chain.
Holding on. Kid Osbourne just threw something in the eyes. Super kick.
With some wood sawdust. Throws it right into Matt Quay's eyes.
Is that what it was? I couldn't quite see it from here.
That's what it looked like to me. The vicious nature, the vitriol that Kid Osbourne has for Matt Quay. I'm speechless.
There we go, the crowd getting behind Matt Quay again. Oh, what a chop. They're sitting over here.
I mean, the crowd is like, they're blocking our view, but I can't even fathom what's happening.
I can see them running around, but that's about it.
Oh, my God.
I hear the crowd.
Kit's been shoving Matt Quay's head right into the back of the ring post. And now he's using the chain to choke him back out.
He's got it over.
And having a hangman right on that ring post.
Choking him out.
And the American Hammer is fighting through. Pulls Kit right into that ring post, knocking him out. He is on Dream Street.
Way beyond Dream Street. But he still has the muster to start.
I don't know what was in that hand. That looked like a cup from the audience member.
They're over there by the entranceway. Referee Mike Powell trying to get them back into the ring. Holding onto that chain.
Head right into the apron.
Matt Quay throws him back in. And both men are back in the ring.
Oh, my God. Hangman with the dog collar as leverage.
And I mean, there's no.
We got to make sure he's okay. The competition aside, we got to make sure that the person is okay.
Agreed. Kid Osbourne trying to wrap that chain around Matt Quay's leg.
Uh-oh.
Going to stomp his foot. Oh.
Right on the knee joint.
With the chain right there in the middle. Looks like he's going to try to do it again. And he does it again.
The damage will pay dividends because, remember, this submission can apply here.
Right. And I mean, granted, yes, Matt Quay is wearing pads on his knees, but that really isn't going to help much. Booting him over. Holding him up. Hangman choke again. This whole crowd are on their feet watching this match. Matt Quay. Choking out Kid Osbourne again. Forearm shots to the chest. Another one. 3.
And with Kit hung up on the ropes, the American Hammer continues his vicious assault.
Suplex in. You were talking about the scars and everything else. Kid Osbourne, just from holding that chain around him from Matt Quay, more scars, more redness.
Matt Quay is definitely earning his stripes in this match. The crowd is definitely behind him. But there's a certain level of hate that comes with a match this type.
Matt Quay looking like he's going for a powerbomb. Picking him up. Razor's Edge. Oh, no. Kid Osbourne on the ropes, holding on. Up, Bulldog.
Off the
onto
second
chain.
turnbuckle, Bulldog levels Matt Quay.
Right onto that chain. Crowd getting behind Matt Quay again.
And we got Kit going for a cover. And a 2 count.
Out at 2. Wow, what a match so far.
And the USA chants are in a full effect.
They're deafening in here. Blow for blow. Matt Quay up but stuttering.
The stakes for this type of match, even though no championships are on the line, this is just pure pride.
Both men are down.
Kit Osbourne with a handful of that chain, using it like brass knuckles, knocking down Matt Quay. Kit for the cover again. And another 2 count.
Kick out at 2. That was a hard kick out.
And Kit is just smiling now.
I mean, he likes the pain. I mean, I've seen many of these types of matches with Kit Osbourne in it, and he just laughs.
He treats
And
those scars as badges of honor.
I mean, there was one other man that was like that, and we all know who that man was.
Pulls Kit off.
What a neck breaker.
How much energy did that just expend from Matt Quay?
Oh, no.
Oh, no,
Quay's
he's getting
starting
fired up right now.
Starting to hammer up.
Using the chain to pull his
Holding
opponent
on.
up.
Putting that chain around.
Wrapping
his arm.
around his arm.
What an elbow.
And we have a 3 count.
Matt Quay, your winner. The American Hammer wins such a brutal dog collar match.
So now they are 1-1 with Matt Quay with the most recent victory in the dog collar match.
What an amazing, brutal, pillar-to-post, end-to-end match between Matt Quay and Kit Osbourne.
And the tides of war have shown Matt Quay victorious.
The whole entire time this crowd was behind Matt Quay.
And what's Kit Osbourne saying in the ring to Matt Quay? And the crowd is now booing Kit Osbourne. And as the crew fixes everything, making sure the ring is correct,
We go on to our main event.
you have to say that with some conviction there, Mr. Keener.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for our main event.
Thank
that
you.
better?
Thank you. Much
better?
That's better.
All right, cool.
I appreciate you putting that effort in.
Said something about Costco or something.